Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can export products from Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder and to create a new site. And then here in the center, you're going to find a list that includes all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, I'm going to go to the site I want to export products from. For example, I'm going to go to this one, hover your mouse over it, and then click on select and edit site. Once you do that, your dashboard will be loading, and then you're going to be right here. Once here in the left, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find setup, home, getting paid, sales, catalog, and so on. So I'm going to click on catalogs. And then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find products, inventory, categories, and so on. Click on products. And then here, you're going to find a list that includes all of the products that you have. You can select the products that you want to export one by one, or you can just go here to the top, click on more actions, and then here, you're going to find the option to export products or to import them. Export your physical product to a CSV file. So just click on export and then you can either choose all, filtered, or selected. So if you want to select some specific products to export, just go ahead and click on the checkbox right next to them. For example, I'm going to export only these three products right here. So click on more actions, export, and then select it, and then click on export. And as you can see, guys, they're loading right now. Just wait for the loading to finish. And as you can see, guys, it will say your file will be downloaded automatically. So as you can see, guys, you're going to find it in your downloads folder. And then as you can see, guys, you can open it and import it on another site. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.